morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hey, y'all. Hey, welcome back to All Things Deidra. Hey, everybody. I missed you guys so much. I am doing a voiceover because this is going to be so quick. First of all, let me say God bless you all. I hope you guys are all doing well. It's been so long since I've came on with a video. So I'm playing with the idea of coming back to YouTube, and I'm not sure where I want to start again. I'm not sure if I want to share home decor with you guys, cleaning videos. I don't know, a little bit of spiritual guidance. I don't know. So just FYI, leave in the comments what you guys want to see now, because I'm thinking and bouncing a couple of ideas around in my head, and I will keep you posted on what I come up with. Bye guys, see you soon.